Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 17th of January. I'm James Spann. A frigid morning. Many places with snow and ice issues, and we stay below freezing all day. But the good news, we show a pronounced warm-up later this week. So let's check it out. That's the upper air look. Big trough over the eastern states. That produced snow across much of Alabama, even Mobile and Gulf Shores over the past 12 to 24 hours. And look at this. This is the radar at 5 o'clock. Snow falling early this morning in Dothan, Abbeville, Ozark, Eufaula, Troy, Elba. How about that? We had reports of snow down to the Gulf Coast early this morning. And wow, is it cold or what? These are not wind chill indices. These are actual air temperatures at 5 a.m. Haleyville 5, Cullman 6, Decatur 7, Birmingham at 10. And the wind is blowing a little bit, so we've got some spots with wind chill indices below zero this morning. So the cold air is a very big story and covers much of the United States. The core of the cold air mass is over Iowa this morning. Here's a look at the watch warning map if you're traveling. Winter storm warnings for parts of North Carolina, Virginia, South Carolina, and also parts of the northeastern states. And around here, still a winter weather advisory for southeast Alabama. Looks like Auburn's going to wind up with about 2 inches. We had some good banding during the pre-dawn hours. Montgomery looks like they're going to have about 1 inch or more in spots. But all of this is winding down. It's just going to be cold and dry for most folks today. Now, this is the precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. Really big numbers back in the Pacific Northwest. Around here, the amounts are pretty light, generally 1/2 inch or less. And the next opportunity for showers will be on Monday of next week. So, model fans, let's dive in. This is the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at noon. At 500 millibars, troughing coming through the southeastern states. And down below that, snow continues to the east of here, parts of Virginia, North Carolina. Alabama just cold and dry, the sky becoming sunny. But keep in mind, we stay below freezing all day. In fact, Birmingham on the GFS showing a high of 28. But the sun and the wind and the dry air will help hopefully for some evaporation, sublimation today, and conditions will improve where ice is a problem. But again, I stress, we stay below freezing all day. In the wind, it's going to make it feel colder. Tomorrow morning, we'll start the day in the teens, mid-teens likely. But we climb above freezing tomorrow afternoon. The high should be around 40. The sky will be sunny. This is Friday. We start the day again. I think we'll see upper teens. It'll be very cold Friday morning, but the high should be at or just over 50 on Friday afternoon. And then as the weekend begins on Saturday, a very nice day. Again, we start the day around 30, the high in the upper 50s. And this is Sunday. We're dry and a good chance we see 60. The GFS is showing 61 for Birmingham with rain off to the west. And then Monday, a surface low near Madison, Wisconsin with a trailing front, and that brings a batch of showers. There could be some thunder, but that's not a severe weather look. We'll check the European on Monday. It's very similar. It's got the low near Milwaukee with a band of showers coming through. And again, maybe some thunder, but that's not really a severe weather look. So that's our next chance of rain. And then Tuesday, that wave is on by. Seasonal temperatures, highs 50 to 55, lows in the 30s. That is exactly where we should be for January. Wednesday of next week, troughing over the east. And again, that looks cool and dry and calm. This is the end of the forecast period, Friday the 26th, troughing across the middle of the country. This is showing showers off to the west, and that might bring the next chance of rain maybe that following weekend. A peek of the numbers coming off the European. High today, 29, 42 tomorrow, 51 on Friday. And after that, temperatures very seasonal. Highs mostly in the 50s and lows mostly in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.